image na fakul sanos alta. So we're going to do some Ulster pronunciation in this. So you're going to hear some ooh endings on some of these words that don't look like that to some of you. My voice is all cockeyed because I'm sick.
Great.
So we'll do it together, those of us who have done it before, and then we'll do it once more like we did with the other song with everybody. Gia davani anaktarugu insa stabla bak the kyun country at lusku ali tadawari lada helsa Anshana Lisa Wanshalin Igro Hula Nasalin Yanis Ravelin Kershirane Griga Pena Na Hangalin Saflaishus Na Hiria Tribo Hilanus Anyos Ghearóid Christ tart ferin wingalermich Gia davani anacht arogo insa stablabat Rakyun ampli adlusko ali tadawari lada helsa. So the words mean welcome God in a child tonight who was born in the poor stable, quietly, without any wealth, rocking asleep, and your little mother beside you. Here laying in the little manger, in a narrow shed of the ass, affection and love from Bethlehem, put peace in the hearts of everyone. The angels in heaven above, the shepherds coming down from the mountains, announcing to us that Christ was born, and give us a little present, all of us, from you. I'm sorry, we all give a little present to you. And then it's the same as the beginning. So, if you would all like to try this. Tadawari leda helsa Anshana Lisa Wanshalin Igro Hula Nasalin Yanis Ravelin Kershirane Griga Pena Na Hangalin Saflaishus Hiria Trilo Hiranus Anyos Ghearóid Christ tart ferin wingalermich Gia davani anat arogo insa stablabat Rakyun country adlusku ali tadawari lada helsa.